Welcome back, folks. We've got another very cool knife to do a disassembly and cleaning of today. This is the Jason Guthrie Scout. Now, I'll be honest with you, I don't know a lot about this knife. I believe it's a South African maker. This is another one of those knives that's on loan to me from FredTheLug, and he's given me opportunity to do disassembly and cleaning, and then I'll planning on doing like an overview of this knife. This knife is not one that I'm carrying, so I don't know that I can really call it a real review, but we'll do an overview of it. But let's go ahead and get into this. T8 on the pivot screw, and I'm having to put pressure on this other side just to keep that in place. We'll drop that in alcohol. I'll show you what that pivot looks like on the other side. And then T6 on the body screw, but for this one I can say that these T6s are very deep. In other words, where your tool goes, it seems to be quite substantial there, so it doesn't feel like it's going to strip out easily. And I think, let's see, that part's coming loose. Let's see if it looks like we've got to get one of these screws here on the pocket screw, pocket clip, and you can see how that that pocket clip's pretty neat. But we've got to get this one here because it goes into that standoff there. So we'll remove this, and now everything comes apart very nicely. Okay, this one's actually on this is actually on washers. I was not expecting that, but that's cool. I assumed it had bearings. And I was wrong. Okay, so that larger bearing goes on this side, or larger washer goes on that side. See, it's very cool. I always like taking knives apart because then I can look at how the maker made this particular one. So that's pretty neat. Fairly simple design there. Looks like it's maybe number 280. Sometimes that's indicative of a serial number. Sometimes it's not. And I don't know if that's the case with this one or not. But no worries. Alright, we're going to go ahead and just wipe that off. Same thing for this side. Wiping that lock face off. Alright. And then the same thing for each side of the scales. And it's a simple design. Nothing major here. We'll make sure we clean that lock face off. Oh, that's different. Alright, give me a second and I'll show that. So for the lock face, it has an area where just a little bit of that makes contact, and it's a raised area. That's not something that I've seen before, so that's cool. Alright, we'll wipe down this side and that clip. Alright. And then I'll get these washers out. It's like a Teflon, I think it's a Teflon washer. Just wipe those off. Clean them off. Alright. Get that pivot screw, and I'll pop that out, put the T8 back in. Did I put the T8? I didn't get the T8. Let's get the correct size there. And then just pinching that screw and backing it out. And you can see getting a little bit of grit and grime out from inside the knife. We'll get the pivot there. Clean that up. Set that to the side, and let me get a cotton tip applicator, and I want to make sure that the pivot hole there is clean. Whoops. Okay. Let's wipe that off again. All right, there we go. All right, let's grab the pivot, slide that in there, and I'm going to put that washer on. Feels like it should go this way. Put a little bit of gunny glide on there, and that'll be spread around by the movement of the blade. Put that on, and we'll get this little, actually I want to put a little bit of gunny glide on the blade itself. Each side there, and then we'll slide that on. A little bit there on the detent ball. Okay. And then, actually I saw another spot that I want to clean here. Just clean that right there. Very nice. Let's clean that up a little bit. There we go. See, that's different than what I'm used to. So again, it's cool to be able to take a look at a knife like that that's different from what you're used to. All right, and then slide that back in. Let's grab that pivot screw, put a little bit of Loctite on there, and then get that started. I suspect I'm going to have to pick this up and rotate that in. Alright, and okay. Let's get that long screw that went through the clip there. Get it back in place. And grab that T6. And that's the T6 here. Let's get everything lined up and screw that one in. And then also this one here. Snug that up. I'm going to check this other just to make sure it was good. And see where we're at there. While I'm here, I'm going to check and just make sure those are snug. Sometimes body screws will loosen up, but usually not. Alright, let's back off on that a little bit. Back to the T8. Alright, what I'm going to do is try to make sure that everything stays centered. Oh yeah. I'm going to actually back off just a little bit more. What I'm doing is just tuning it to where everything's still centered. We'll tighten it up just a little bit because that took us off the center. Okay. And I think I over tightened it just a hair. Yeah, that feels good. Oh yeah. Man, such a smooth knife. Alright, so there you have it. Disassembly and cleaning, Jason Guthrie Scout. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't done so. Leave a comment, and I hope to see y'all again soon. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks for watching.